Hello everyone, my name is Rose, and this is going to be a pen palette update. So I'll show you what it looked like last time. And now, it doesn't really look that different, but I do have a hit pen. Wow! Pen in 1 month! That's surprising, but I was like, it's still be an easy pen to hit, but I didn't think it would be that easy. I hit it after I think 7 uses. I didn't tally or anything, but I mostly use this shade. But wow. I thought it would be twice as much effort to hit pan on it, but then it was the day I thought oh, I'm halfway to hitting pan, that day I hit pan. So I'm like, oops, I have pan. I mean, there's still quite a bit of product in it. It's the pan is not huge, but I think that shade will probably be gone within the next 2 months if I really continue to work on it. That's the main shade I've been using. I've been using this and this the most, which I'm not wearing today, but yeah. This shade, I'm not really liking that much. It's kind of patchy, doesn't clean onto the eye well. I have to build it up a lot. That's probably because it is repressed, and just Kat Von D shades just don't do well with repressing at all. You're better off just throwing it out than repressing mostly. But I think I'm gonna keep working on this at least until this and maybe the blue's gone, and then maybe I'll just toss it out because it's just dipping in 10 times to do one eye is kind of a lot. But I still think it's a really good color to use with this shade. So until that's gone, at least maybe with the blue too. But yeah. And then today I'm wearing the greens, which I've only worn the greens one other time, so I've barely worn that. I think I used this blue twice, and then today I'm wearing all 3 greens. I have this in my crease, and then I have this to deep out the outer edge, and then this on the lid, and then I have on my inner corner I have from the Lemonade palette, because that's my Project 10 uses, and then I have some green mascara on my lower lash line. It's a minty green. Yeah. These two, this one and that shade, it takes a lot of building. All these shades kind of, the shades I'm working on kind of take a lot of building. But those two kind of take a lot of building. Those kind of powdery. But this shade in particular, kind of poofs and it's gone. I used the tiniest, I used a little bit in the outer edge, but it didn't really make all that difference. I've only used it twice, so I need to work with it more and see if maybe I can build it and see if it actually sticks. Maybe I can use I have a glitter glue. Maybe I could try it, even though it's a matte, maybe a satin, I don't know, but I can try seeing if it does that. Maybe I could try seeing if putting a base down might help it. But yeah, but it's a small pan, so if it does end up just being too much, I can always just get rid of it, because I don't want to hate pan something. If it really caused me that much anguish, last year my panda palette, I kind of hate panned it, and it was just awful, and maybe almost never wear makeup, and it was just really bad. So I don't want to do that again. So yeah. And then this has been my eyebrow shade. It doesn't look any different. It's in my brows today. I literally take a pencil brush and do one dip, and one dip is usually about half, 75% of the time is enough to do both brows with that one just tap in there. So sometimes I do 2 taps, but that's rare. So yeah, this would not be going anywhere anytime soon. I think I'm still they'll focus on the purple and the still gotta focus on the purple and the blue the most right now. I mean, I think as it starts to move more towards spring, I'm gonna incorporate the greens and stuff a little bit more. So yeah, because to me green is just a spring color. Like green and pink are spring colors. They remind me of the start of spring, and that's when I usually want to wear them. So not when it's like cold and like a foot of snow outside. But yeah, and this I've been using most of the time when I do my makeup as a highlight. I've mostly been working on this side, but it doesn't really look all that different. So I'm wearing it today as a highlight. But yeah, we'll see where this goes. But so far, I am super impressed with myself. I mean, this is not hard. Hopefully I can finish all 5 of the shades I want to finish by the end of the year. But yeah, and this shade I've been using to set my shadow primer thing. Set my primer. And it looks like it has some brush strokes in it, and that's it. So which that one is not repressed, so that's just better. But yeah, so that's everything, I think. So hopefully you guys liked the video, and let me know what you guys are painting for your pan that palette. I mean, mine is just a bunch of random stuff, so yeah.